All right, next problem for swimwear. My swimwear loses its shape quickly after a few years or months. I don't know which one it is, but you need to invest in a high quality fabric. I say this because when it comes to fast fashion, I definitely have a podcast. I don't want to say a podcast because I'm a visual type of company, so the audio just doesn't work. But I did a episode focusing on fast fashion. I mean, in our 20s, we don't have money and we're trying to penny pinch and look good and blase, blase, blah. But when it comes to swimwear, there are just certain fabrics that just don't stand a chance when you keep washing your swimwear. It's either going to shrink, or in this case, the spandex part, it loses its strength to stretch. So it's like the shaping just collapsed after 2 or 3 washes. I'm just trying to make it very lamest term for you so that you can understand. So that's why I keep emphasizing on high quality type of fabric. But hey, if you're a girl who wants to just throw money out the window and do what you do, then you can do that. But if you are someone who is tired of the same old, and then start planning and buy your swimwear at the end of the summer when they go on sale, and then next year you'll be well prepared. But investing in high quality is in most cases is essential when it comes to swimwear, because it's but so much fabric. So you have to kind of just get it right. There's just so many things as a woman. This is close to our intimate parts. It's very important to kind of just cover those important bases. All right. You know what else? I forgot to mention a tip. When you're washing your bathing suit, another cool tip. Definitely wash it in cool or cold water. This will definitely preserve it, and also let it air dry. Do not pop it in the dryer. The spandex, the elasticity is going to it's kind of like, I want to say melts. I don't think that's the proper word. Again, I'm not the technical person. I am around the people. I can ask, but this is just at the top of my head. I'm just being very truthful. But a wash tip I would definitely say is wash it in cold or cool water, and then let it air dry. It definitely just releases all that chlorine and the sun kind of just being on there, just to preserve your bathing suit a little bit longer, especially if you have that high quality type of bathing suit. All right.